I'll be doing an unboxing on this EVGA XC3 Ultra GeForce RTX 3070 series. So as you can see, here we have it. This carries a lot of features. Let's see if I can show you guys some of them. We see it's the 2nd gen ray tracing core. We have 3rd gen tensor core. We have the PCI Gen 4 Microsoft DirectX 12. It's a GDDR6 graphics memory, NVIDIA DLSS, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, NVIDIA G-Sync, NVIDIA GPU Boost, game ready drivers, and a whole lot more, and the list goes on. So this card, I've waited a long time for this card, and I know that for those of you watching, the price of this card is like sky high now, because I've seen these cards on eBay for $13, $14, even $1,500 for a 3070 graphics card, which is ridiculous. However, I managed to buy it at a high price, paid like $965 at the time. Never wanted to spend that much, but I didn't have any chance. So I'm glad I made the decision and purchased it, because now they are extremely difficult to use. And one of my main reasons I wanted this card was for gaming and to get better frames per second. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the seal. So I've cut the seal. Let's see what's inside this box, because these little card is like hardest to find right now. So we have something here that gets 25% off their capture card for streaming. Anyway, I'm not interested in that. We have GeForce installation guide, and this tells you how to install it, and the power cable that is required. Again, this is the EVGA GeForce 3070. So there you have it, EVGA GeForce RTX 3070. So what I've noticed on the top of this card right here, we have 16 pin. So it's 2 8-pin in order to power this graphics card here. So you have to ensure that your power supply has 2 8-pin for your graphics card. That's the design of the fans, all stamped with EE, nice little signature by EVGA. The card carries 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. I think we have a metal backplate, or maybe plastic, I'm not sure. But it's pretty nice. And this card has 8 GB on the memory, carries a nice beefy cooler. So let me just get some shots of it so you guys can enjoy it. And I'll be leaving some link below in the description where you could purchase this video card. They are pretty hard to find, so good luck. So there you have it, guys. That's the EVGA Ultra 3070 graphics card, and I hope you guys do like this video. And if you do, I want you to just like it, share it, comment, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.